One of the first things you'll want to do in SPP is set up your services to represent the services that you have available for your customers to buy. Head over to Services in the sidebar and click Add Service. In SPP, you can set up one-time services and also recurring subscription services. So we'll run through a couple of examples. Start off by giving your service a name and add a description if you wish. You can also upload an image. This information is going to be visible to customers who are logged in to their SPP client portal and also in order forms. For a one-time service, you just need to enter a price. The options below, Show in Services page, means this service is going to appear to customers in their client panel. Grouping together multiple quantities of this service means, let's say a customer buys 3 of these services. We'll group those together into a single order for you to work on if you select this option. If you don't, then we'll create a new order for each. If you want to assign to a team member, you can select this option here and choose your team member from a drop-down. And you can also set a deadline to help your team see when orders are due. This is just visible to your team, not the customer. Go ahead and click Save Changes, and you'll see we've gone ahead and set up our first service. For a recurring service, again, we can just give the service a name, add a description, and then this time select Recurring Service. From here, we can set the price and how often we want to be paid. There's also an option to set up a trial or setup fee. Let's say, for example, we wanted to charge the customer a $100 setup fee for the first month. We just add the setup fee to our usual monthly amount, and this will charge the customer this amount for the first month, and then this amount every month afterwards. With recurring services, you have a few different ways that you want to actually manage the order. So let's say, for example, each month you receive the recurring payment. If you want to keep working in the same order, you just keep this option selected here. This is a really simple option. But on the other hand, if you want to, for example, collect fresh project information from a customer each month, you can select this option, which will create a new order every time a recurring payment is received. The final option here allows you to let customers request new orders as they need them. So this is great if you charge customers a monthly fee and you want to allow them to either make unlimited requests or a specific number of requests each month. The options below are the same, and then we can just click Save Changes. So we've set up 2 really simple examples with simple pricing. But let's say you want to offer customers different options within each of your services. Let's go through another example for blog articles. So again, we just give the service a title and a description. And this time I'm going to select Create Multiple Pricing Options. I hit this and then Edit Pricing Options, and you'll see this is how I can go ahead and set up various options for this service. So as we're talking about blog articles, something we might want to offer customers is different word counts. So you can set up your options using these fields, and this updates the pricing options below. So now I can set pricing for each of these and then hit Save Pricing Options. You can add more than one option, just use this option here, and you can also add or remove values as you need. Head back to Edit and you'll see your pricing options are reflected here. Now I can hit Save, and my 3 services are represented here. Just one other tip when you're setting up a service: if you want to offer a customer a free trial, for example, you just need to leave this price as 0. To show you how this looks in the customer panel, I'll head over here and you'll see this is what a customer will see. If you upload images, you'll be able to see those here. So you can see I have my one-off 250 words service here, which I set up first, monthly subscription here, and then here is my different pricing options. as you can see. So that's it. If you want to find out more about setting up services and the various options available, I'd recommend heading over to the Help Centre, or feel free to get in touch and we're very happy to help.